5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just a game of it. Touch grass.
Back on circle melee. Melee move.
Shards move.
Melee move.
Blade soon.
Benson, I'm gonna need you to back me up. I misclicked something. So I'm gonna take the first half and I'll tell you when. But I'll tell you.
Shards, it's on star.
Okay, I'm gonna take the first half on two. Do you want to stay kind of close?
Do I boost on? Go ahead, top.
Okay, I'm moving out. We'll use the last bit.
Got it.
Blade soon.
Melee tighten up.
Beyond star, beyond star.
Destination blade. This is going to be on Interrun.
Shimorgan,
swap.
you're on deck.
Yeah, that's not
Shards on star again. Kippy, you're up.
Blade soon.
Don't get too close to the tanks.
Wiggle to the right, guys.
Inferno.
Inferno blade on Interrun.
Get ready for new one.
I'm gonna get this one.
Shards.
Shards is out, it's on triangle.
Benson, I'm gonna grab the first part. I'll tell you when.
Blade
Okay,
soon.
come on out.
Inferno.
Hunt has a debuff now.
Inferno blade on.
So,
Interrun.
Morgan.
Master Blaster's got it. Okay, we're breaking order now. Bale, you're first on next.
Shards.
It's on star, it's on star.
Yeah.
Guys, gotta move.
Great Manti.
Nam, you're next.
Got 40 seconds.
I got a
Not
hit.
dodging.
Will, you're first on next, Crystal. Or actually, Kippy, are you good now? No, you're not.
Shards.
Okay, Will, you're first.
Destination.
Gone. Frenzy regens up.
Chris, you're gonna be second.
I can step in now. I can get it. I got it.
Shimorgan, you're first on next.
Go ahead and take it back.
Got it.
If you have no debuff, you're on star.
Shards.
We're out to the side.
Totally right, totally right.
I got it.
Right, Shimorgan, you're back up.
Blade soon. Destination.
Sent up.
Try it on me.
Get hunting up when we have a res. Actually, just hold it for tanks. Master Blaster, you're first on
Go
next.
ahead and take it back.
If you're no debuff, you're on star.
Shards.
Shards are out. Right a star, right a star. Bale, you're back up.
Blade soon.
I'll get first next.
Inferno.
Inferno Blade on Adder.
Good thing on this 5-minute fight.
Turns her out.
I used my
So triangle. I got first.
time. Pretty good.
I can back
Chris,
you
you back up.
Yep.
Berserk soon.
30 seconds. Good job.
Nice.
Alright, don't keep spreading it. If you have the debuff, just get away from the boss so I can start doing loot. You still need embers, Bill, right?
Yeah, I need 4 embers.
Well, there's 3.
Goodness gracious, look at all